Yes, I know it's surprising, but even sometimes I make mistakes. So let's learn how to make things right. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to apologise in te reo Māori. When you want to apologise for making a mistake, say, mō taku he. If you use this phrase, there is no need to further explain, as the person you are saying this apology to will know you have made the mistake and you are taking responsibility and apologising for it. We can also say, aroha mai. If we use this phrase, we then have to explain why we are asking someone for compassion or sympathy. For example, aroha mai kei te māwiwio. Sorry, I'm feeling sick. Aroha mai mō taku tōmuri. Sorry for my lateness. And if you feel like a hamburger and don't want to pay, all you need to say is, aroha mai kaore aku moni. Sorry, I don't have any money. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.